Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools and creating a distraction-free bench. You remove the strings now to access the neck and bridge. This immediately reveals the truss rod nut and pickup heights. Once done, set a quick neck relief baseline. Capo at the first fret, press the last fret and measure the gap at the 8th, 10th fret aiming for about 0. 0, 10 to 0. 0, 20 inches. Make sure to note current saddle positions. That saves time when restringing and dialing intonation later. Next, focus on the middle of the setup where small changes have big effects. You tweak the truss rod in small increments, 1/8 to 1/4 turns, waiting and rechecking relief after each turn to avoid overcorrection. Then raise or lower the bridge to reach your target action around 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters at the 12th fret and ensure string spacing is even. Finally, set pickup heights so the pole pieces sit roughly 2-3 millimeters from the strings, and listen for even. You finish by restringing with the gauge you prefer, stretching and tuning consistently until the guitar holds pitch. Then set intonation. Compare the 12th fret harmonic to the fretted 12th note and move saddles until they match. Once intonated, play across the neck to detect buzz or dead frets and verify pickup balance and tone. If things go wrong, one key tip. If tuning slips or binding occurs at the nut, lubricate or slightly widen the nut slot and retune. This often fixes tuning instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.